Neville said the secret is to live in the end, but many people struggle to generate the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This meditation helps you enter that emotional state directly. Allow it to become natural, easy, unforced. Neville often said that the feeling of the wish fulfilled is the secret. So allow yourself to rest in that feeling, as though it were already your normal state. Imagine that this feeling is simply the atmosphere of your life now. Nothing dramatic. Just the quiet knowing that what you desired has already come to pass. If you'd like to practice this technique fully, the complete meditation is part of the Neville practice system, linked below. It's designed to help you learn to actually practice Neville Goddard.